Hello students, welcome to PNMRC e-learning classes. Students, we are going to start our video with exercise 5.1. First question of exercise 5.1 is find the complement of each of the following angles. It means angles are given out here and you have to find out the complement of each of these angles. Student, let's start solving exercise 5.1 chapter lines and angles. Question number 1, first part. You have to find out the complementary angle of the given figure. Figure is given out here. You have to draw the figure in your notebook with the help of a pencil. Now, you have to find out the complementary angle of the given figure. So, to find out the complementary angle of the given figure, the measure of complement of the angle of measure 20 degree is equal to 90 minus 20 degree. Why 90 minus 20 degree? Because as you all know that sum of measure of complementary angle is equal to 90 degree. So we will subtract this 20 degree from 90 degree. So 90 degree minus 20 degree, that is equal to 70 degree. So therefore we can say that the measure of complement of the angle of measure 20 degree is 70 degree. Let's find out the complement angle of the second part. Here the figure is given in which 60 degree angle is given. So the measure of complement of the angle of measure 63 degree is equal to 90 degree minus 63 degree. As you all know, the sum of measure of complementary angle is 90 degree. So we will subtract this 60 degree from 90 degree. So 90 degree minus 60 degree, that is equal to 27 degree. Students, I am again repeating, you have to draw the figures of the given angles with the help of pencil. Now, third figure is of 57 degree. We have to find out the complement angle of this angle, that is of 57 degree measure. So, the measure of complement of the angle of measure 57 degree, that is equal to 90 degree minus 57 degree. That comes to be 33 degree. So we can say that the measure of complement of the angle of measure 57 degree is equal to 33 degree. Now students, we will solve question number 2 of exercise 5.1. And that is find the supplement of each of the following angles. It means you have to find out the supplement of these angles. So let's solve question number 2, first part. First, you have to draw the angle with the help of a pencil, that is of 105 degree. The measure of the supplement of the angle of measure 105 degree, that is equal to 180 minus 105 degree, because the sum of the measure of supplementary angle are 180 degree. So we will subtract this 105 degree from 180 degree. So 180 degree minus 105 degree, that comes to be 75 degree. So the measure of the supplement of the angle of measure 105 degree is 75 degree. Second part is angle is given, that is of 87 degree, and you have to find out the supplement angle. So the measure of the supplement of the angle of measure 87 degree, that is equal to 180 degree minus 87 degree. 180 degree minus 87 degree, that comes to be 93 degree. Now student, let's solve third part of question number 1. This angle is of 154 degree. Now you have to find the supplement angle of 154 degree. So the measure of the supplement of the angle of measure 154 degree, that is equal to 180 minus 154 degree. Why 180? Because as you all know that sum of measure of supplementary angle is 180 degree. So we will subtract 154 from 180 degree. So 180 degree minus 154 degree, that comes to be 26 degree. So the supplement angle of 154 degree is 26 degree. Now let's solve third question of exercise 5.1. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. It means From these angles, you have to find out which of them are supplementary pairs of angle and which of them are complementary pairs of angles. So let's solve first part. First part is 65 degree plus 15 degree. After adding 65 degree and 115 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. So 65 degree and 115 degree are supplementary angles because the sum of the measure of supplementary angle are 180 degree. Now second one is 63 degree plus 27 degree. That comes to be 90 degree. So 63 degree and 27 degree are complementary angles because sum of the measure of complementary angles are 90 degree. So these are complementary angles. Now third one is 112 degree plus 68 degree. 112 degree plus 68 degree, that is equal to 180 degree. So 112 degree and 68 degree are supplementary angles. So student, in this way you have to find out the answer of rest of the questions. Question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6. That you have to do it yourself as a homework. Now let's solve question number 4 of exercise 5.1, and that is find the angle which is equal to its complement. So let's solve question number 4 of exercise 5.1. Let the measure of the required angle be x degree. Then the measure of its complementary angle is also x degree because both of the angles are of equal measure. So both are x degree. Now x plus x, that is equal to 90 degree. This is the equation. X plus x, that is equal to 90 degree because the measure of complementary angles are 90 degrees. So x plus x, that is equal to 90 degree. So x plus x, that is equal to 2x. 2x is equal to 90 degree. Then value of x is equal to 90 upon 2. Why? Because this 2x is 2 into x. And while transposing, this 2 will be converted into division. So x is equal to 90 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 45 times, that is equal to 90. So the value of x is equal to 45. Hence the measure of the angle is 45 degree and the measure of its complementary angle is also 45 degree. Now we will solve question number 5 of exercise 5.1. And that is find the angle which is equal to its supplement. Now student, let's solve 5th question of exercise 5.1, and that is let the measure of the required angle be x degree. Then the measure of its supplement is also x degree. Why? Because as you all know that both the angles are of equal measure, that is given in the question. So both are of x degree. Now x plus x, that is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because as you all know that sum of measure of supplementary angle is 180 degree. So x plus x, that is equal to 180 degree. This is the equation formed. Now x plus x, that is equal to 2x. 2x is equal to 180 degree. Now x is equal to 180 upon 2. Why? Because here 2x is in the form of 2 multiplied by x. 2 multiplied by x. Now it will come in the form of division. After transposing, it will come in the form of division. So x is equal to 180 upon 2. Now 2 ones are 2. 290 times is equal to 180 degree. So the value of x is equal to 90 degree. Hence the measure of the angle is 90 degree and the measure of its supplementary angle is also 90 degree. So student, this is the end of today's video. We will meet again in our next video with the rest of the questions of exercise 5.1. Up till then, goodbye and thank you.